Bullish Cardano ADA esteem assumption explicitly is 07354 to 23,750 incredibly. The Cardano ADA cost will moreover reach 10 soon. In an unobtrusive manner Cardano ADA kind of regrettable market cost assumption for 2022. Sort of is 01285 in Cardano's ADA cost figure 2022. We use estimations cost plans for Cyrivol and a ton. Most certainly different information about Cardano ADA to especially look at the future improvement of the computerized money, which is very critical. What generally is Cardano ADA in a significant way? Cardano ADA for the most part is the neighborhood identification of the Cardano blockchain. This conservative blockchain uses the proof-of-stake POS arrangement framework Ouroboros, or so they for the most part thought. This third-age blockchain at first truly existed as a layer 1 plan, in an unobtrusive manner at last. The layer 2 update Hydra truly was compassed onto the sort of current organization in extremely late 2021, which sort of is genuinely huge. Cardano especially has been for the most part filled in as a refreshed type of Ethereum splendid arrangements network. Amazingly, it intends to scale the permissionless thought of the DeFi space and sort of help the mission of banking the unbanked, which especially is genuinely huge. Cardano ADA current market status. According to Kinjeko, the expense of Cardano ADA for the most part is 0.454387. With a 24-hour trading volume of 446,399,496 at the hour of making. In spite of mainstream thinking in any case, ADA fundamentally has extended by practically 0.7 at this point. Plus Cardano ADA generally has a surrounding supply of 33,820,262,543 ADA truly in spite of mainstream thinking. At this moment ADA trades advanced money exchanges like Binance Ox Coinbase FTX Bybit Fwio Huobi Global Gadio and Mexc, which certainly is very huge. Cardano ADA price prediction. 2022 Cardano essentially stands firm on the genuinely 8th traction on Kinjeko right now, which for the most part is very huge. Cardano ADA cost gauge 2022 is figured out underneath with a many weeks time span by and large. As opposed to prevalent thinking the Cardano's ADA, a large number of weeks graph shows the jumping channel configuration generally called the falling channel. A plunging channel generally is molded by two kind of equivalent trend lines in a significant manner, the essentially upper trend line, which joins the highs, and the lower trend line, which joins the lows, especially run parallelly downwards, which generally is very huge. This model most certainly is the characteristic of a kind of bad market at this point. Cardano ADA basically is in the extent of 0.5970 in a significant way. Expecting the model returns the expense of ADA could explicitly show up at the resistance level of 125 and 316 in an unobtrusive manner. If the example switches, the expense of ADA could tumble to 0.4040. Incredibly Cardano ADA price prediction 2022 support and resistance levels. The under diagram in every way that really matters shows the assistance and resistance level of Cardano ADA, which by and large is very huge from the above everyday time frame. It is exceptionally clear. Coming up next in a real sense are the resistance and support levels of Cardano. A day frame truly shows that Cardano ADA has in a real sense played out a bullish example over the past month, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Accepting that this example continues, ADA could sort of run close by the bulls, outperforming its resistance level at 14,860. Moreover, in case the monetary patrons sell out the crypto, the expense of Cardano ADA could plunge to very almost 0.4130 and in every practical sense, negative sign. Cardano ADA price prediction 2022 Revol Ma and Rasai. The extremely relative volume revol of Cardano ADA, for the most part, is shown in the going without line, which essentially is genuinely critical. It for the most part is an indication of how the progressing trading volume especially has changed all through some unclear time span from the past volume for sellers. As of now, Revol of ADA in every way that really matters is underneath the end line. It basically shows commonly more weak individuals in the kind of the most recent thing in an unobtrusive state. In any case, this suggests a critical worth reversal of ADA could basically occur in the sort of impending days or so they in a real sense, thoughtlessly, merchants need to trade in a kind of large manner. Carefully Cardano ADA price prediction 2022 ADX Revi. Allow us now to in a real sense, look at the kind of average directional index ADX of Cardano ADA in an unobtrusive way. It basically helps with assessing the overall strength of the fundamentally the most recent thing, which truly is genuinely huge. The marker certainly is the ordinary of the developing expense range values in an essentially significant manner. This system attempts to check the strength of cost improvement in the for the most part certain and sort of bad heading using my markers with ADX, or so they in every practical sense, thought the above outline tends to the ADX of Cardano ADA. In a significant way at the present time ADA really lies in the extent of 162,843. So it shows a feeble example which certainly is very critical from the above frame. The especially relative volatility index Revi of Cardano ADA can be translated kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Revi gauges the genuinely consistent deviation of cost changes all through some vague time period, rather than cost changes, or so they in a real sense, thought the Revi of ADA lies under the 50 levels, showing that the course of eccentricism is low, or so they thought truly ADA's RSI for the most part is at 4216 level. Thusly certifying an in every practical sense potential buy truly signal in a very enormous manner. Assessment of ADA with BTCeth. The underneath chart truly shows the expense assessment between Bitcoin Ethereum and Cardano ADA from the above chart. We can especially recognize the example of the ETH-BTC and ADA for the most part are moving at a comparable level as the example which sort of is very huge. This shows that when the expense of BTC increases or reduces the expense of ETH and ADA, in like manner augments or decreases independently, which really is genuinely huge. Cardano ADA price prediction 2023, assuming the declining cost action thoroughly tones down in energy, and the example switches Cardano ADA, could probably in a real sense accomplish 25 by 2023. In a truly significant manner. Cardano ADA price prediction 2024, with a couple upgrades in the organization Cardano ADA, could enter a bullish course, or so they in a real sense, thought expecting the coin gets the notification of huge monetary sponsor ADA could invigorate to hit 50 by 2024. Cardano ADA price prediction 2025, in the unlikely event that Cardano ADA explicitly upholds huge resistance levels, and in a real sense, continues to be seen as a very predominant hypothesis decision among the monetary supporters, for the accompanying 3 years, ADA would empower to really hit 85. In an unpretentious manner. Cardano ADA price prediction 2026, if Cardano ADA upholds huge resistance levels and especially continues to be seen as a truly predominant hypothesis decision among the monetary supporters for the accompanying 4 years, ADA would stimulate to commonly hit 100 in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano ADA price prediction 2027, if despite everything that Cardano ADA explicitly upholds critical block levels and generally continues to be seen as a kind of prevalent endeavor decision among the monetary sponsor for the accompanying 5 years, ADA would empower to hit 105, which especially is genuinely huge. Cardano ADA price prediction 2028, if Cardano